llena el corazón. This is such an incredible day, an incredible honor, and I'm so humbled to be on this stage right now. The last 6 months.
Alright, so it's next morning. We are at the hotel, very nice hotel, Delta Hotel in Utica, New York. We're about an hour away from Cooperstown, 30-something miles. But with my Platinum, we got access to the pantry. So anything in here is for us to enjoy. And we get free breakfast this morning too, so we're gonna do that too. So stay tuned for all that and the ceremony and our adventure and the last day of this quick 48-hour trip. So I just lied to you in the beginning of the video. It's not technically the next day, it's the night before. I just said it was the next day. So we are in Utica right now. We didn't think we were gonna be walking around town, but we're walking around Utica. Boy, are we walking around Utica.
Yeah, it's
Adam Mel, by the way, Whirlwind Potato. Follow him on the YouTubes.
yeah, it's pretty grim.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, this is
a couple buildings over there that look nice. If you're looking for real estate, there's plenty here. We'll cut back either tonight or we like this because it said Boston store. Must have been a store back in the day here in New York or in the Ithaca area. But a lot of nothing going on here.
a lot of signs at one point.
Alright, so we made it. We found our seats. That was a little bit of a challenge because we kind of knew where they were, but we didn't know exactly where they were. There was 1,000 more people here, no worries. So, got our seats. I just used the porta potties. And, alright, go back to the seats and sit in this baking sun. I brought waters. Whew. Heat stroke. But here we are. Ceremony for David Ortiz. Cooperstown. Yeah, bye.
On time. Thank you very much and enjoy today's induction ceremony.
Good afternoon and welcome to the 2022 Hall of Fame and to Cooperstown. In his 5th year here as our Master of Ceremonies, please give a warm welcome to Brian Kenny.
From the class of 2017, Jeff Bagwell. From the class of 2019, Mike Messina. From the class of 2018, Trevor Hoffman. From the class of 1991, Ferguson Jenkins. From the class of 2004, Paul Molitor. From the class of 2018, Jack Morris. Also from the class of 2018, Alan Trammell.
Maybe it is.
From the class of 2017, General Manager John Sherholz. From the class of 2008, Goose Gossage. From the class of 2018, Jim Tomey. 20, Larry Walker. From the class of 2019, Mariano Rivera. Also from the class of 2019, Edgar Martinez. From the class of 2000, Tony Perez. From the class of 2017, Ivan Punch Rodriguez. From the class of 1999, George Brett. From the class of 2018, Vladimir Guerrero. From the class. From the class of 2017, Major League Baseball's Commissioner Emeritus, Bud Selig. From the cat class of 2011, Bert Blyleven. From the class of 2010, the Hawk, Andre Dawson. 1999, Robin Yount. From the class of 1993, Reggie Jackson. From the class of 2004, Dennis Eckersley. From the class of 2007, Cal Ripken Jr. From the class of 2015, Pedro Martinez. From the class of 2016, Ken Griffey Jr. From the class of 1991, Rod Carew. From the class of 2002, Ozzie Smith. From the class of 1989, Johnny Bench. 12-time All-Star and a man who has long supported the legacies of early black ball players. Let's welcome from the class of 2001, Dave Winfield. Favor, Gil Hodges. American League after winning a Negro League World Series title. Please welcome to the stage his widow, Sharon Mignoso, and let's hear it for Hall of Famer, Minnie Minoso. American coach in American League or National League history. His work was integral to the creation of the Negro Leagues Baseball Museum in Kansas City. Let's welcome to the stage his niece, Dr. Angela Terry, and let's hear it for an all-time great, Hall of Famer, Buck O'Neil. He also came out of Cuba and was a three-time batting champion. Let's welcome to the stage, class of 2022, Hall of Famer Tony Oliva. He's one of only 5 pitchers in the majors to play 25 seasons. When he retired with 283 wins, it was the 8th most among pitchers in the live ball era. Please welcome Hall of Famer Jim Cobb. And finally, one of the best clutch hitters.
Put it back on me, please.
541 career home runs, driving force for 3 World Series championships for the Boston Red Sox. Please welcome Hall of Famer Big Hoppy. Let's welcome to the stage.
These people are people that love baseball. I fell in love with baseball on June 26, 1946. My dad drove
Otherwise, all white teams, but opportunities were often short-lived due to racial prejudice.
Mexico League, Greenfield in the Michigan State League, and he led the Nebraska State League with 45 stolen bases.
Minnie's plaque.
Sanfernino Orestes Armas Ariada Minosa. New York, NL, 1946 to 48. Cleveland, AL, 1949, 1951, 1958 to 59. 3 batting titles and topped the American League in hits 5 times and doubles 4 times. Burst into the big leagues with 8 straight All-Star.
This play right here looked like my home in Cuba when my father drew the field that the young king.
NL 1943, 1947 through 57. Los Angeles, NL 1958 through 61. New York, NL 1962-63. Cleanup hitter.
All right, Jim, it's great to have you here today.
That's one of the most incredible franchises in Mexico.
Well, there are 339 guys, an amazing number of baseball players that have played the game. It's worth 1%.
I mean, I wouldn't.
As chairman of the National Baseball Hall of Fame, it is my honor to welcome David Ortiz.
David Americo Ortiz, Big Poppy, Minnesota AL, 1997 through 2002, Boston AL 2003-16. With legendary postseason performances that took the Red Sox from championship drought to 3 World Series titles in 10-year stretch. While earning 10 All-Star selections. Drove in 100 or more runs in 10 seasons, leading American League 3 times. His 541 home runs, 632 doubles, and 1,768 RBI are all-time highs among designated hitters. In games 4 and 5 of 2004 ALCS netted series MVP honors, set AL record for batting average, .688, en route to 2013 World Series MVP.
Before everything, I want to thank God for giving me the opportunity to be here today and for giving me the joy of being able to travel this path. This path that had allowed me to be here. And I'm going to talk to you guys in English and Spanish. Para que mi gente me entienda. Todo eso viene del corazón. This is such an incredible day, an incredible honor. And I'm so humbled to be on this stage right now. The last 6